Why hello, you people from Earth and outer space. It is I, Alexander from the universe. In this episode of Let's Rest, we're going to talk about continue and how we can continue the looping in the loop of the current looping of loops. It's how we can skip a looping. That's what I'm basically saying here. Let's say we had a for loop, whereas we bind a variable called x to it inside the range 0 to 21. Then we print x out. That's pretty usual when we make loops. We're like, x is whatever x is, and we print x out like so. Well, if we run this now, it's gonna say 0 to 20 because 21's excluded, 0 is included, considering we do have 0 here. Let's say we actually want this to range from 1 to 21. We can do that, and it's gonna be like, hey, I look good. I go from 1 to 21 in just one go. But what if we wanted to print out only odd numbers? Now we could really simply add an if around the actual print line, but what if we want to do this in a slightly more unusual and less efficient way? Yeah, because we don't want to be efficient. We just want to make things cool. So what we can do is, prior to the print line, we can add an if here that checks and sees if x percentage 2 equals 0. So if the remainder of x divided by 2 is 0, we want whatever's in here to be executed. And if we were to run this right now, oh, nothing's going to happen. You guessed it. It's going to be the exact same. But if we add a continue in here, and then run this again, we're only gonna get uneven numbers. You see that? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Because if x happens to be even, we continue this loop. This means that we skip whatever comes after the continue. So we're gonna skip this print line here and go on to the next loop. And so it's gonna be, well, x is 2. Well, no, d don't want 2. And it's like, whoa, around again. It just skips this. That's the power of continue, and you can use them in any kind of loop. Whenever you so may desire to skip a looping in a loop, then you use your hula. Never mind. Then you use your powers, your magic powers of the continue, and you're like, whoa, this actually works. Continue is extremely useful, like all other programming syntax bits of any language. But continues are useful. Learn them, know them, experience them, take them in, breathe them in. Why, goodbye, you people from Earth and outer space. Feel free to leave a comment stating something utterly hilarious or perhaps even a like. Until next time.